Leigh Chisholm at Seasons Veterinary Clinic, and I'm going to answer some common questions I get about kennel cough. So first one, my dog is coughing like she has something caught in her throat, but she's eating and playing and happy. Could this be kennel cough? Yes, it could. With kennel cough, they get a horrible hacking cough, and it sounds like something really bad is going on. But in between coughing episodes, most of the time they're eating and drinking and appear to be doing well. Second question. My dog has not been to a kennel, but has a horrible cough. Could this still be kennel cough? Yes, it could be. Kennels are traditionally a good place to pick up kennel cough, but it can be picked up anywhere dogs are mingling about. Kennels, boarding facilities, doggy daycare, dog parks, or you just sniffed noses with the wrong dog when you were out on a walk. Third question. My dog was vaccinated against kennel cough, but has a horrible cough. Could this be kennel cough? Yes, is the short answer. The vaccine is a big help, makes it less likely they'll pick up the disease. The disease should be less severe, but unfortunately the vaccine isn't 100%, so it's a help, but we do still see this kennel cough in vaccinated dogs. And finally, my dog had kennel cough last month, recovered completely, and is coughing really bad like he has it again. Could this be kennel cough again? And yes, it could be. There are several different viruses and bacteria that can cause the disease, or probably group of diseases that we commonly call kennel cough. So unfortunately, I have seen it where a patient gets kennel cough, is treated, recovers, and the next month they picked it up again. So those are 4 common questions that I get about kennel cough, and I hope it helps you out.